Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, today is day 76. Oh my goodness, so quick. Yes, sir. Hey, we're gonna have a great day today. Today is Madness Monday. Let's go. But first, shout out to New Island Barbecue. I just came from that place. All right, we're about to test this breakfast plate out. You know what I'm saying? So today I got 150 some, mostly apartments, so only 48 stops. Should be interesting. I love it. I love it. Gotta relax today. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we stay here doing our DVIX. Everybody getting ready to head out. We did our Baba huddle, so it's ready. It's ready. We got IA apartments today, so it's gonna be chill today. All right. It says I got 10 totes and 17 over packages overflowed. Let's go. Apartments today. All right. Finished loading up. Thank you, Helby, for the help. Yeah. So we got 155 packages today. Chill, love it. Yep, we're about to smash this, and yeah, we'll see where we go from there after that. Ooh, 8 packages for one building. That's like more than half of my route. Let's go. I think I've been here since 12 o'clock. 4:10. Sheesh. So I've been in this building since 12 o'clock. It is now 2 o'clock. I'm finally done with it. Now next apartments. Whew, let's go. Ooh, another building down. My goodness. I'm gonna eat my lunch. I'm hungry. Let's go. Yeah, tell me why my coworker Kiara wants me to work hard, deliver her package, yeah? Yeah, Kiara. She'll stand. Anyway, beautiful place, by the way. Bougainville. Ooh, lovely. These sceneries are so amazing. I love it. Oh, you know, just take a little stroll down in Camilo Street, you know, doing my thing, love it. Oh, all done for my route. Now it looks like I'm gonna go rescue brother Isaac. Oh yeah, let's go see what we can do. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Isaac, and we are about to do a rescue. Isaac, how does it feel?
Humiliating.
No, it's not. It's teamwork, baby, it's teamwork. Let's get it together now. All right, all done putting away my totes. Now I'm about to go upstairs and do some DVIC. And yeah, today was a good day. Apartments, whew, haven't done that in a while, but it was a good experience once again. But yeah, good times. All right, done with my DVIC. About to head home. Please have a good night. Stay safe out there, and from Baba Transportation to each and every one of you, have a good night. Shoot.